Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining this video. Today I'm going to show you that how are you going to build your own custom dashboards. This is the dashboard you're seeing for Go HighLevel, and this is one of their most generic dashboards. You can actually customize it if you have the agency version. It needs to be a SaaS version, which is their $497 like a month fee. Anyways, so if you have a SaaS version of Go HighLevel, you can not only white label it, you can customize it in many different ways, and you can have a lot of reports which you cannot even get in a normal version or their agency version. So as you see my white label Go HighLevel dashboard, over here you will simply come here and start adding the dashboard. You have three options. You can clone from one of the existing dashboards, or you can actually even create a dashboard from the scratch, or you can also go with the templates. Today I'm going to show you how to do the templates. So they have some pretty good pre-built dashboards: lead attribution, opportunity attribution, appointment, customer dashboard, or call tracking. Other than that, they have like a bunch of other menus which you see on your left, and then you can also utilize some of the tags, like for example call tracking, campaign performance. That's a pretty cool one actually, but they don't have any version for that so far. So contact data, contact management, and stuff like that. So they have like a lot of those. So what you need to do is simply go there and choose one of those, like one of the main templates they have created. You can also create your own from scratch and share those templates with other sub accounts or other agency users based on your customer requirements. So for example, if you go with the opportunity attribution dashboard, you simply click on that, continue, and it will create the template for you and add one of the dashboards in your for your sub accounts. If you like to edit it, you can add it and add more stuff in here by simply adding the widgets. You can go with contacts, appointment widgets here. Like they're all different kind of widgets over here. If you want to see like total unread messages as an example, you simply click here and it will give you like all the unread messages, and then you can actually drag it and take it up on the top as an example. You can customize it in different ways, and you can use the graph or different kind of graphs and save. So that's how you can actually customize your dashboard in different ways. You can choose one of the templates and then add any attributes or any widgets you want. Pretty much everything any small or medium business may need is already here, and you can see that. You can actually make it full width, half width, whatever you want. Simply drag and drop. It's pretty easy. Save the changes and it's saved. On top of that, if you want to change the permissions, simply go to manage permissions. If you want to give agency users a full access, account admin a full access, or account user just view, then you can simply save it, and that's how you can manage the permissions. I will be creating another video to create different dashboards for different industries in the coming days. I will also be talking about how to create website templates with AI in Go HighLevel. So stay in touch, subscribe to my channel, and ask any questions, or if you want to learn anything in Go HighLevel, I will be happy to assist. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye.